Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel EduShab. Today we are gonna look into the CPGate 2021 process. Many of us are in confusion that is it our certificates verified or approved. If today is 18th, till now if they aren't verified or approved, then how can we go for web counseling or something like that? So let me tell you, up we have our last date is up to 20, so we have time still, okay. And one by one the authorities are uh, verifying our certificates. This is one of my friends thing. So if you see here, certificates are verified, and it's still in verified condition only, like it's verified but not approved. This is she has applied for 2 to 3 subjects. um, this subject isn't verified yet, and if you look at into another subject, it's got verified, and when I asked her, she told this was the subject she registered at last moment. I mean, at last date, still it got verified, and the subject which she did at the first stroke, it didn't get approved. This is all a different story, but coming to point, one of her subject got approved, and here you can read based on preliminary certificate verification of the document submitted, and now you are eligible for accessing web options. Here clearly it's mentioned accessing, you are eligible for accessing web options. So if one of a subject got verified, approved, then even other subjects which she applied can easily get approved. It's just depending upon the authorities who are verifying the certificates. It may take a little bit more time, and still for registration only we have the last date of 20. We still have so much time left, and if you did not register, first do your work, you register it, and then your one by one they are approving and they are verifying our certificates. If there is any problem in the certificates you have uploaded during registration time, they shall mention you in the website. Like when you log into your account, they will mention re-upload the so and so documents because some error is there. So at that time you can definitely correct and re-upload it. Just that keep visiting the website daily, so that if they are sending, if they are if they are mentioning that you have to re-upload some documents, you can upload it. If you did not check the website daily, and then it's not approved, and you have to re-upload some documents, and you could not see, then that would be a problem, because you will not be eligible to apply for web options. So for that only you have to keep an eye daily. Then definitely if there is any error, you can re-upload it, and for sure you will be eligible for web options. As we have still time left, still we have 2 days, you can register it, and then I'm sure verification dates are not yet told, but verification dates, as far as we have known previously, before extending this, it was up to up to 20th, 17 to 20 we should keep web options. So for now, as they have extended the date up to 20 for registration, then for verification also after 20 only. So if your documents are approving beforehand only, then that's excellent. If not also, you still have time after 20th also. The government is gonna give a few more days, okay, 2 to 3 days of time for verification, and then after that only you will be um, eligible to keep web options. Then after verification only they'll release web option dates schedule also. So guys, thank you for watching this, and do not forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, like, share, and if you have any doubt regarding whatever, do comment and let me know. If